Okay, so what is up guys, it's Tinkernaut back here again for another video. What we're going to be doing is, I don't know if you can hear it, there's some construction going on, but what we're going to be doing is we're going to be making a login and sign up page for your application. So what you're going to start off with is a resources folder, a runner with a screen capture. Within the screen capture file, you're going to have this code. Just pause the video now, look at it, copy it down, and then you're also going to have a views folder with display GUI.java. Within that, you're going to create some buttons and some classes. I already went over this stuff in the simple GUI video and the auto uploader video, so if you have any questions, go refer back to those. What we're going to do is you're going to create a label, a button, and a text field, just for now. And you can do passwords, you can do multiple things. We'll jump into that stuff a little bit later in this video, but for right now, we're going to start with the text field and getting it so that you write all this information down into a file. So let's jump right in. You're going to initialize all of the variables, all of the labels, so that when you run it, it looks like this. And what the button is going to be doing is it's looking for an action within the sign up, with the button, and it'll run the sign up command. So right here is where we're going to have all of our code for the sign up. So let's get started. Okay, so to get started, what we're going to do is we're going to go string file equals username text field dot get text. So this will get the text from the text field, and what we're going to do is we're going to go try a buffered, not reader but writer, bw equals files dot new buffered writer paths dot get file. So this should get the file from the path that we have set. We will add the catch clause. And also what we're going to do to this path is dot text. So we're going to add the dot text at the end because we just want the username to be inputted, not the dot text. Within this, if it works, we are going to go system.out.println found file. So we need to create this file now. Okay, so I just tested this and it works. As you can see, it found the file, but I have it on my desktop right now, and if I run it and I type in Anorak, because that's what I called it, and I hit sign up, you can see that it says found file. So now what we're going to do is we're going to get it so that it writes the information into the file. So how we do this is we're going to go bw.write, and we want it to write the file name because we want it to read the file when they log in and gather this information from it. So we're going to go file, and then we are going to close the writer as well. It does it automatically, but I just like closing it so that I know that it's closed and I don't have to worry about it. So now if we go like this, we type in Anorak and we hit sign up, it has found the file and it should have printed into it. So I'm just going to check that and make sure that it worked. Okay, so I did change some things around. So now what I got going here is the actual path to the file. This will just make it easier. Path.get didn't seem to be working. I believe it only works if the file is within the package, so under resources we could very well make the files there, which hopefully we'll get to doing. But we don't really need it as we're going to be using SQL for this very soon. We're just laying out the basis for it, getting it ready for that. So now what we're going to do is do the same thing for the password, but what we're going to have as well is checking it to make sure that the password is the same as the confirm password below it. So I'm going to make the text fields for that, set that up, and get started on that. So I'll be back in a second. Okay, so I just finished doing the confirm password text field, the confirm password label, the password text field, and the password label. As previously done, using grid bags and setting them up and defining them here. So now what ours looks like is something along the lines of this. As you noticed, I moved this over one. It used to be x equals 0, now I put it to x equals 1. So now it's over here in line with these. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go string pass equals password text field dot get text and a string confirm pass equals confirm pass text field dot get text. So this will get the text from both of them if and else system.out.println passwords don't match. This is the last steps we need to do, so doing this, if pass dot equals confirm pass, it will run what is ever inside of this confirm. We're just gonna do confirm pass. I'm too lazy to fix it. So if the password equals the confirmed password, we are going to do we'll just do system.out.println password match. So if the password matches, we will see password match. If it doesn't match, we will say passwords don't match. So if I go anrec password and sign up, password match. If I did anything but and, like and under, sign up, passwords don't match. So when the passwords match, what we will do is we'll take it to a different screen. That's what you should be doing, but for this we are not going to do that. So that's an easy way to do it. You can also put it back into the buffer writer again, but I'm not going to do that because I'm lazy, and plus we're going to be putting this into an SQL database once we finish the login page. So this has been the sign up tutorial. It's been Tinkernaut. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, share, leave a comment. I don't know, just spewing out words now. Okay, catch you next time.